So, I just had some news that my next job, I'm going to have to get COVID tested. I haven't had a COVID test since COVID yet. And I know that there's a swab that goes at the back of your throat, and then there's a swab that goes pretty much in up your nose and touches your brain. I will probably film that. On a different topic, I have just had a load of information sent to me about my gymnastics career. A load of data, a load of the information, of the emails that was sent about me and my career path, and there's some really interesting stuff in there. Probably shouldn't reveal any of it to the internet just yet though. But some of it's laughable. Not because of me. On another side note, I think I'd like to say actually that I'm really enjoying filming myself again. It's really nice being back on YouTube. It's really nice just editing some content together for you guys. Although, that being said, I have completely run out of space on the hard drive, so I've had to order another one today. That is probably one of the most difficult things about this industry and what we do and everything that involves this is space. I am always running out of space. So it is Sunday the 27th of September. I'm currently on my way to a place in Britain called Milton Keynes. I've got a job there tomorrow, the Championship League snooker, and that starts at like early morning. But the main reason why I'm going today, the day early, is because I've got to get COVID tested. That's not because I've got COVID symptoms, thankfully. That's just the standard procedure right now with Matchroom and the way that everything's going in our country. You're just gonna have to be fairly careful with it all. So I'm on my way there now, and I know that this test is gonna be fairly gruesome because I know that they ram this thing like right up your nostril and it feels like it touches your brain. So I'm looking forward to that. That's gonna be real nice. So I will probably see you when I'm getting a cotton bud rammed up my nose at the back of my throat. I haven't, but I know that it touches your brain basically. I will now be spending the next 8 hours of my day in this hotel room. But you know what, it could be worse. This hotel room's not so bad. We've got our tea and coffee making station. Let's see if we've got any snacks. Oh my god, no. As if there's no snacks. At least we've got, you know what, we've got a copious amount of tea and coffee. We've got, you know, a nice sized bed. We've got a TV, a mirror, a desk. I will be sat here for the majority of my day because I will probably be working all day. And, well, this absolutely stunning view. Look at that. MK Dons, yeah? What a beautiful arena I'm seeing. Well, actually, we also, we have a pretty swanky bathroom. I can draw myself a nice bath. Well, you know what I'm probably going to end up doing there. But if I was to spend 8 hours in a room, at least it's kind of nice, you know? At least it's a nice hotel room. I can say that. Real talk though. What the fuck am I going to do for 8 hours? Let's see what's on the old goggle box. Don't tell me I've got a TV that doesn't work. The TV does not want to work. And there are no buttons. Oh, thank God for that. I would have been bored shitless. What can I put on?
Yeah, so my new album's going to be out on Thursday, like me, from Brooklyn. Oh, that's right.
Do you feel as though
Well, that was a good way to kill 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna have a nap. This bed is nice. I had a nap. I'm not sure how long that nap lasted, but it's 3 o'clock now. I just ordered my food for 6 o'clock. Still no COVID results. I think I only killed about an hour and a half. I'm watching my favourite film. One of my favourite films, actually. It's not my favourite film. It's Ready Player One. You know what, for coffee? For hotel coffee? That's pretty good. I'm running out of things to do. We are on hour 7 now of isolation in my hotel room. If it wasn't for the fact that they have good Wi-Fi and stuff like that, I'd probably be losing my mind right now. Not that I'm not already losing my mind, but you know what, it could be worse. I've got food coming in about 15 to 20 minutes, which is, you know what? I've been thinking about that since about 3 o'clock. Okay. Just had a thought. So I just called up room service to check, because obviously my meal's coming at 6. I've got a fat off burger coming, and I thought, oh, do you know what? I actually need a drink. See if I can order myself a beer, because that will go down a treat with a burger. And you can't. You have to go down to the bar, which I can't do obviously because I'm in isolation. So it just made me think, do you know what? This video would have been absolutely hilarious if I'd have just got myself like a crate of 24, just seen how far I could take and just got smashed during this. No, just me. This is me going insane in my room by myself. Come in. Let's see what we've got in here. We got our burger, and I believe that burger was, that's just what I needed. I might order a pizza at some point in the next like hour or so, because towards the end of an evening, I don't stop eating. Well, that was good. Yeah, it's lower. It's easy.